lot of people talk about Comfrey. There's a lot of good stuff about Comfrey, a lot of bad stuff, sort of good, sort of bad, sort of somewhere in the middle. Today I'm going to tell you why Comfrey is just so-so.
Go ahead.
So I heard about this crazy weed that every other plant would feed, that would heal your cuts and broken bones. So I ordered a few from a place online. When they came in the mail, they were looking fine, but when I planted them out, they broke my heart. Oh, why won't you grow? I heard you'd live through being chopped and mowed. I heard you were magical and super duper bro. So why won't you grow?
I don't really understand what you're doing.
With a Comfrey?
Yeah,
I just want to talk about Comfrey.
but you're kind of beating it to death. People are really gonna get tired of this.
No, I don't think so. My real followers will follow me. They'll stay with me. The end of the world. The good gardeners. My people.
I guess we'll see.
One fall day I saw a brand new shoot coming back from the root of one of those special little herbs. To my surprise, right there in the shade, one of them decided to behave like a crazy weed I'd heard about before. Now when I fall off the roof or crack a tooth or need to fix a hole in my roof or get in a fight with my wife or chop off my fingers with a knife or bring my neighbor back to life, I use Comfrey, that magic Comfrey.
How many thousands of subscribers do you have? You're just gonna throw this all away?
I'm not throwing it away. It's better. It's the new thing. It's my jazz odyssey.
I mean, I really hate to bring this up, but don't you remember the Bulimbi?
The Bulimbi. People love the Bulimbi. Bulimbi 2 in search of Bulimbi. What's wrong with your camera? I can't see anything. It looks like it's beautiful country, but I can't see it. I use that Comfrey, that magic Comfrey, that magical shoot. Oh, So, Comfrey I thought everyone would please, but then I heard you get liver disease, and you might heal outside but internally bleed. And of course in the heat they don't get along, and Billy's gonna kill me for this song. Oh Comfrey, you're just so. Oh Comfrey, you're just so. Looks like the thing goes like this.
Why are you wearing my bathrobe?
It's unisex. Comfrey, you're just so. I do
Okay.
think that I'm going to go back to landscape painting though, as soon as probably.
Oh, look, a rose.
We pay off the mortgage. Oh yeah. I think that's the first one. I get the mortgage paid off, then become a painter again. Doing the art scene, the thriving Lower Alabama art scene. Maybe get my stuff up in the Flomaton Library. You know, a retrospective, pictures of trains. No, Comfrey on trains. I could do Comfrey trains. Like, I could actually do a whole series on it. It's a good, I mean, you gotta have something to shoot for. I didn't read this in that YouTube book, though.
I'm
This
sure
is my
not.
own idea.
Yeah.
It's a good idea. I mean, Comfrey is terrible. Comfrey's amazing. Comfrey's just so-so. I'll probably do like, I'm ambivalent about Comfrey Part 2. I'm still ambivalent about Comfrey. I'm incredibly ambivalent, so much so that I need to talk about it again, you know. Thank you for joining me. I hope that kind of sums it up for you. I appreciate the back and forth conversation that we've had over the last week, and I hope it's been incredibly edifying. It sure has been for me, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you for being on this channel, and thank you for just making life worth living. Be sure to buy my books and subscribe to this channel. Till next time. Your thumbs always be green.
Space is a place on the dark side of the moon. The Degaza 2 is in development and will be flying soon.
It's hilarious.
Are you having a nervous breakdown?
I have never been nervous enough to break down. It's fine.